Good morning. A question. Do you believe that God changes God's mind? Well, it seems in Jonah chapter 3 that God does. And why? Well, the story says that the people of Nineveh changed their ways. That's the issue. They changed, not God. They changed to be more in conformity with God's way. And that's how we interpret it as God's changing God's mind. No, we change. All change is found in us. There is no change in God. Our actions, our behavior will change, but God never changes. We have an influence on the results for our own lives when we conform to the way of God. When we do penance, as hopefully we're doing to the best of our ability, when we pray more, when we're more open to what is true and just and holy, then we change, not God.